Hi everyone, it's Marisa from BumblebeeApothecary.com, and today I'd like to show you how to make salmon patties. This is a great, really easy way to include seafood in your diet, and I'm going to also make a really quick and easy tartar sauce to enjoy alongside these. So let's jump right into the recipe and I'm going to show you how I make them. So first I'm going to heat my cast iron skillet over about medium-high heat. I'll probably end up turning the heat down a little bit once they start cooking. Any sturdy animal fat is good. So I have a bunch of bacon grease in here from cooking bacon, and that will work great. You could also use lard, tallow, ghee, anything like that. To make the salmon patties, I'm going to open some canned salmon into a bowl and add some eggs. Now, for a can of this size, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 eggs per can, erring on more eggs rather than not enough so that the patties will stick together well. I'm going to add a little dash of salt and then mix these together well with a fork. And then I will scoop spoonfuls of the batter into the hot frying pan. I'll let them cook until the bottom is golden brown, and then flip them over and cook until that side is golden brown also. And then remove them and put them on a plate. Next, to make the tartar sauce, I'm going to put some mayonnaise. You can either do homemade mayonnaise, which is super easy to make, or a really clean version. Sometimes I'll buy this kind, Chosen Foods. Anyway, you put however much mayonnaise you want into a bowl and then add a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then cut up a homemade lacto-fermented pickle, or it could be a store-bought fermented one too, whatever. These are dill pickles, so I'm going to cut that up as finely as I can into little chunks and then mix that into the mayonnaise, and that becomes a really delicious tartar sauce. So you can serve these alongside some tartar sauce, maybe some vegetable sticks also, and it makes a great lunch or a really quick, easy dinner. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make salmon patties, and I hope that you give it a try. If you do give it a try, let me know how you like them. Leave me a comment down below. Be sure and check out that description box for links to free ebooks and other goodies. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody else who you think would like to learn how to make salmon patties. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I get out 2 new videos every week on nourishing recipes and natural living. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.